Hey guys, it's Maddie again, and I'm here. I'm going to do another 4th of July nail tutorial. It's actually going to be fireworks. I'm not really good at it. I'm just going to kind of do whatever. I've never really done it. I've just kind of practiced on like a plate. But this is just my version of fireworks. It's nothing big and popping and, you know. I'm just going to do them on my pointer finger because I already have an American flag on that finger. Which looks backwards, but it's not because it like flips it on the screen. I don't know, maybe it is. No, it's not. So take a striper. I'm just using a white striper. You can use any color you want. And I'm also going to be using this one. It's my Art Deco glitter one. And just make tons of dots. In a circle. Make them kind of small. What is she doing? This golfer is parked on our yard. Weird. Get over your yard with your golf cart. You don't drive on the grass with your golf cart. That's why they have pavement. Okay. Then I'm going to take my blue one and put some dots in there. Just glitter it up. Doesn't really matter what size because I mean it's not a solid color. Fine. So as you can see, the dots doesn't look too good over camera, but it actually is kind of cool. Should I just get it in my hair? Okay, now. And there's my version of fireworks. Okay, bye. Oh, remember to like, thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box, subscribe, and remember to tune in for my next video. Bye.